Want me to fill you in on one of the best ways to use today to make money online? Well, stick around in this quick video because you'll find out how. All right. So quick housekeeping right now. If it's your first time on my channel or on one of my videos, well, welcome. My name is Billy Nellis, and I'm a full-time online entrepreneur who's helping others having four-figure days online with affiliate marketing. So if you're about making money online, working from home, affiliate marketing, online marketing, my channel is all about that. So I invite you to subscribe to my channel right now by hitting the big red button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications for when I upload new videos. I do so on a weekly and daily basis, and I don't want you to miss out on them. All right. So if you're back up on my channel, or if it's not your first time watching one of my videos, well, welcome back. All right. So what is one of the best ways that you can utilize today to make money online? Well, any transaction that happen online, people have to be involved in it, right? So, somebody has to pull out the credit card and buy something if they're looking for something online, right? I don't think that it happens in thin air or that money gets transferred, unless it's, automatic payments and stuff like that. But somebody had to set it up, right? But whether you like it or not, running an online business is a people's business, right? It involves connecting with people. I talk to people online and they tell me, oh, I want to make a multiple six figures and this and that, but I don't want to talk to a soul. I mean, it is possible, but in most cases, somebody is involved in a transaction, and by connecting with new people every single day and by focusing on providing value and being a problem solver, you're going to make money online, right? There's so many platforms that you can use, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And if you connect with new people every single day that are in your niche, right? And you become a problem solver. Just the other day, I was in a marketing group, and somebody was looking for a software that could record their computer screen and them being in the screen at the same time. Well, there's a tool that I use for that, and they happen to have an affiliate platform for that tool. And by me referring that person to that tool that I use to record my screen, my computer screen, while being on the screen at the same time, I get compensated for bridging the gap, right? So, sometimes we're gonna find some groups on Facebook that are in our niche, and some people are gonna go in there and they're gonna spam. No, instead, you know, join the conversation. Provide some value, be a problem solver, bridge the gap by being the middleman, and by you doing that, you're gonna make some money, right? And this is what's amazing with affiliate marketing, is that it doesn't necessarily have to be your own product, but by you referring somebody to use, a service, a product or software, by you being an affiliate for that, you're the middleman. And by solving problems for other people, people have challenges sometimes and stuff like that. If you're the person that can help them, you have to have a genuine desire to help other people. You wake up in the morning and you say, who it is today that I'm gonna help. If that's the way you're gonna think, well, you're gonna make some money online, right? So if you focus on connecting with people, all right, and you focus on providing value, joining in the conversation to help others and to provide solution, you're gonna make some money. And this is why I think that affiliate marketing is amazing, because you can recommend somebody to use a product, a service, or a software by you being an affiliate for it, and you'll get compensated for that. All right. So this is one of the ways. There's many, business models out there. Some may not involve you in there, but in most cases, people are involved. And if you're running a business online, it's a people's business. All right. So this is one of the best ways that you can use today, right now, to start making some money online. And that's what I wanted to share with you on this video. So if you liked what I just shared with you, hit the thumbs up button right now. If you have some questions, feedback, or anything that you want to share, make sure that you go in the comment section below right now and leave me a comment. And don't forget, my channel is all about making money online, working from home, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing. So if this is what you're all about, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the big red button right now. hit the bell icon to get instant notifications for when I upload new videos, because I'm going to do so on a weekly and daily basis, and I don't want you to miss out on this content. And before I leave, I just want to invite you to check out my number one recommendation about making money online that I left right underneath this video in the description box. And that's how I'm able to help others to become and to be full-time online entrepreneurs with affiliate marketing, and a proven method to do so the right way. All right. So with that said, I'm going to sign out now. This was Billy Inellis here, and I'll see you on the next video.